Thank you for purchasing our power conversion kit. Today I'll be walking you through the process of assembling the ND-PBMK Power Conversion Kit onto your RM18 hand crank bead roller. You will need simple tools to assemble this power kit. You will need a 19mm wrench, a 7/16 wrench, a 3/16, 5/32, 3mm, and 1/8" Allen keys. Please refer to your instructional manual included with the kit you purchased to help you along with this build. Step 1. You will need to remove the hand crank from your bead roller to begin assembly. Step 2. You will need to remove the gears with the 1/8" Allen key. Then you can slide both the top and bottom shafts from the bearing box. Using the 3mm Allen key, remove both the top and bottom shaft collars. Step 3. Remove the bearing box with your 19mm wrench. Then reinstall using the original hardware with the supplied bracket in place. Step 4. Slide the main motor support bracket over the bearing box. The fit should be snug. Do not tighten the bearing block hardware until this bracket is in place. Step 5. Reinstall both shafts by sliding through the opening in the main motor bracket, while simultaneously installing the shaft collars in place between the bracket and the bearing blocks. Step 6. Now you're ready to install the gears. Slide the gears back onto the shaft and tighten the set screw using the 1/8" Allen key. Step 7. Install the supplied gear cover. The use of clamps are recommended to ensure correct fitment before tightening the hardware for the gear cover. With the gears and cover in place, you can now secure the gear cover by tightening the 1/4-20 hardware using a 3/16 Allen key along with a 7/16 open-ended wrench. We recommend greasing the bearing blocks at this time before continuing. Step 8. Turn the lower shaft so that the machine flat surface is visible through the access hole in the gear cover. At this time you can now install the supplied Lovejoy coupling onto the lower shaft. Make sure that the set screw on the Lovejoy coupling is aligned with the machined flat surface on the lower shaft. Then tighten the set screw through the access hole in the gear cover using your 5/32 Allen key. Notice that the Lovejoy coupling is flush with the end of the shaft. Step 9. Next, you will install the other half of the Lovejoy coupling onto the motor shaft, making sure that 3/8 inch of the shaft is protruding through the center hole of the Lovejoy coupling. You can now install the rubber insert onto the coupling. Step 10. Now that both halves of the Lovejoys are secure in place, you can now align the Lovejoy couplings and mount the motor onto the bracket. The final step is to mount the switch cover onto the main bracket. To do this, you will plug the motor connector into the connector on the switch cover, and then secure the ground wire to the gear cover using the 1032 supplied screw. Now using the remaining 1032 hardware, secure the switch plate cover to the main bracket.